Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Engineering Projects. So in this video, we are talking about the project related to buck boost converter. So if you are not watching my previous videos about a project related to buck converter or project related to boost converter, then you can watch it and the link is given in the description box. So what is the buck boost converter? So buck boost converter is a converter in which the output voltage is either higher than the input voltage or lower than the input voltage. It is depend on the type of converter. So before discussing the exact working of the buck boost converter, we have to discuss about the type of buck boost converter. So first of all, type of buck boost converter. First one is the unidirectional buck boost converter and second one is the bidirectional buck boost converter. So what is the unidirectional buck boost converter? In the unidirectional buck boost converter, electricity is flow in one direction only. It means your output voltage is either greater than your input voltage or less than the input voltage depending on your reference voltage or whatever your voltage you want. Okay, in bidirectional buck boost converter, one side voltage is greater than second side voltage, and second side voltage is always less than the first side voltage. It means, for example, if right side voltage is high and left side voltage is low, then always left side voltage is low and right side voltage is high. It means your electricity flow in the bidirectional mode. So this unidirectional buck boost converter is to use the renewable energy sources, where the bidirectional buck boost converter is basically used for the motor drives condition where regenerative braking is used. So you can go through the theory of unidirectional and bidirectional buck boost converter separately. So you can make these two converter and compare these two converter, and your BTech or MTech project will going on. So finally, if you are working with this, then you see that bidirectional buck boost converter did not need any controller, and your switching frequency will uh, helps you to describe the what is the output voltage and what is the input voltage. But in unidirectional buck boost converter, various controller you can use. So first of all, buck boost converter, that is with PID controller. So you can use PID controller to control the voltage in buck boost converter. Second one is the artificial neural network controller or NFIS controller you can use to control the voltage level of buck boost converter. So as the name suggests, buck boost converter, it means it will boost the voltage or buck the voltage. It means either it will increase the voltage level or either it will decrease the voltage level on compared to the input voltage. So these are the buck boost converter. So if you are try to work in controller, so you can use any controller, PID controller, NN controller, NFIS controller, or you can make any 2 or 3 controller and compare with these controller to make the buck boost converter very effectively, and your project will going on. If you are comparing these three controller, then your MTech project will going on, or either you can compare any two of the controller, then your project BTech project will completed. So if you are try to work with optimization technique, so these are the optimization technique you can use: TLBO, training learning based optimization, differential evolution optimization, genetic algorithm optimization, particle swarm optimization, artificial vehicle learning optimization, gray wolf optimization, or jellyfish optimization. So these optimization technique you can use to solve the problem of PI related to buck boost converter. So if you are interested in this project, then you can contact with us in projectsengineering21@gmail.com, or you can drop your comment in the comment section. So in the comment section, you can drop your mobile number or mail ID, and we will try to contact you as soon as possible. So thank you everyone. Thank you to watching my channel. Thank you all.